What is going on, beautiful folks? Welcome to another episode of Mornings with Lee Hammock, your favorite self-aware narcissist. This morning, we're going to be talking about what's it like being around a narcissist when they are sick. And this episode was inspired by my morning health. I got a nice little headache, nice little sore throat right now, y'all. Um, Energy super low, but this just inspired me and got me thinking, like, what is it like being around a narcissist that is sick and throwing a fit and acting a monkey, pretty much? Like, because being around any type of narcissist is going to be hard anyway. Dealing with a narcissist day in and day out is going to be a difficult situation anyway, right? Right. I think everybody can agree with that. Most days. No, not most days. A lot of the times, because there are gonna be good days with narcissists too. That's why so many people end up staying with narcissists, right? Um, but there are going to be a lot of days with narcissists and toxic people where they are sick, and you're going to pay the price. Like you absolutely will pay the price for your narcissistic partner or ex or whoever it is being sick. Like, they're going to treat you horribly. I know people are like, well, Lee, this is crazy. This is the kind of stuff that, you know, like, why do we got to pay the price for them getting sick? Why do we have to pay the price for them hurting or whatever it may be? Because y'all, this is the mindset of narcissistic people. They like to blame everybody else. It's just like major victim complex and whatnot. Because if I'm not feeling well, it has to be your fault, right? It can't be something that I myself have done. It can't be the fault of me for not washing my hands. Can't be the fault of me for not back in the day when COVID was happening, not masking up or whatever it was. It can't be my fault. It's everybody else's fault around me. So, but I can't take it out on everybody else, right? I can't take it out on everybody else that's around me. But you know who I can't take it out on? You. You can get it because you're going to be one of the closest people to me. So you're going to get the brunt of my anger. You're going to get the brunt of everything that I have going on. You're going to feel it, right? No matter what's going on in this situation, you are going to get the brunt of it all, and you're going to feel it, and they're going to put it onto you. So they're going to throw a fit. They're going to act a monkey. They're going to like make your life harder and act like, even if they have something as simple as a cold. I'm not trying to make it seem like colds are not a bad thing, but even if they have something not a major illness, right? They'll make it seem like it's the end of the world. They'll make it seem like it's the end of the damn world dealing with them. You got to deal with me. Like, you're gonna pay for this. Like, whatever has happened, it's on you. It's your fault, some way, shape, or form. So this is part of it, y'all. This is part of it. Dealing with a narcissist when they are sick is going to be a very tough dynamic. It's going to be very tough. Like, they expect your undivided attention a lot of times. Like, not every single narcissist is going to be the same when they're sick. I promise you. Like, not a lot of us are going to expect your undivided attention. We're going to expect you to drop whatever you have going on and tend to our needs, right? Tend to us. We need every drop of empathy and compassion that you have in you. Leave it on the table. We're gonna need that, right? We're gonna need every drop from you. So they're gonna treat you like you owe them something. Like, this is the perfect time for them to treat you like you owe them something. Like you owe me for me. You owe me for me being sick. So they put it onto you, right? They put this type of stuff onto you. They treat you this type of way because they make you feel like you owe them for you getting sick, for them being sick. You owe them and whatnot. And this, like I said, this is what a lot of them expect. This is what a lot of them anticipate. This is what a lot of them will come to, think of when they are sick and they're not feeling well. They're going to put it onto you and lay it at your feet. But are there some narcissists who retreat within themselves when they get sick? Absolutely, yes. There are going to be some narcissists, y'all, that will retreat within themselves and give you the silent treatment and things like that because because they're sick. Like, not every one of them will come around you, and not every one of them will come around you and do and say some stuff. A lot of them will just come, like I say, a lot of them will go kind of like go into a dark place and just sit there and just anticipate. Like, they go to the dark place, sit there, and anticipate you on knowing every one of their needs. Like, you have to like, they give you the silent treatment, but they still expect you to take care of them. They did, like I said, they go sit in the room all day, not communicate with you. Yeah, they are sick, but some people who when they're sick, Some people, when they're sick, they still try to communicate with you and whatnot. But the mind of a narcissist, it's just like a narcissistic person. It just works weird, y'all. I promise you. It's just like so many thoughts going through my head right now. And no, I'm going to be fine when I'm sick, y'all. I joke around and stuff like that because I don't feel good. But there's still stuff I have to do today. So it's just like when narcissists get sick, they also get angry because they're sick, because their energy is low, and because it throws their day off of whack. Because it could throw their day out of whack and mess their schedule up, and that right there can bring up some unnecessary anger as well. It's like they blame everybody else around them. We blame everybody else around us for us getting sick, and our schedules getting thrown off. So we get angrier, angrier, and angrier. It's like a lot of narcissists already have a short fuse, right? The fuse is already short as hell. But this fuse, like right now, the fuse gonna be just the fuse gonna be so short, it's crazy, right? The fuse is so short, it's insane. So that's the type of stuff that happens right there. Like short fuse, like you're walking on eggshells. You're already walking and living on eggshells when you're dealing with a narcissistic person anyway. But now it can get to the point where it's overkill, right? It's overkill right now because of how they're acting, because of how they're behaving, because of the stuff that they're doing right now. It's extreme overkill. So you who is dealing with this narcissistic person have to understand that this is the way it's going to go. And it's not your fault, y'all. Like, you didn't get them sick. Unless you came home coughing, sneezing, farting everywhere and bringing home something, then it's not your fault. You know what I mean? But they'll take it out on you. They will treat you like it's your fault. They will absolutely put it onto you. Like every time they cough, they're just looking at you angrier and angrier and angrier. Like every time they cough or sneeze, it's like their anger level goes up. Like, at you. they start imagine your partner snarling at you because they're sick. You know what I mean? Imagine them snarling at you and give you the angry eye because they themselves are sick. That's insane, isn't it? But that's how it goes, y'all. But I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet to the point, y'all. If you haven't already, if you don't know, November 2nd, we'll be in Dallas, Texas, and November 3rd, we'll be in Houston, Texas for our next in-person workshops. You can find more information right here at mentalhealness.net/events. Get registered up. If you made it to the end of the video, you can enter code MENTAL10, MENTAL 10 for 10% off workshops in Houston and Dallas. And we'd love for y'all to come to both. It'd be crazy if I came to both, but I'm Texas ignorant. Get registered up. We'll see y'all in Texas, and Mental Healness is out. Peace. Thank you so much for making it to the end of my video. I am extremely grateful for you. Have no idea. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Helps reach more people. And click on the screen to watch another video or to browse through another playlist. There's also a link on the screen to check out my courses and my support groups to help you heal and understand what you've been through. Thank you so much again. I will see you in the next video. Peace.